Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to present a small case study on a cold storage project which we have done at Nagpur. That is for AgriFlow Foods Private Limited. So this cold storage, we have been architects for that project. We have done their structural design also. The total tonnage consumption, basically the steel consumption, is around 1300 tons, and that this project is it's completed already. So these are the few details related to loads and other thing. The location is at Nagpur. The total area of the cold storage, that is around 30,000 square feet. The building is G+3. The roof for this cold storage, we have done a gable roof instead of the flat roof. The width of the building is 29.1. The length is around 109 meters. Eave height is around 14.5 meters. The slope of the roof we have considered as 1 in 10. As this project is located at Nagpur, that's why the wind speed is 44 and the seismic zone is 2. So the dead load, for considering the top PIF panel, the dead load was for the roof it is 0.2, the live load is 0.57. The mezzanine which we are saying for the, basically it's a storage building, so the total main load is around 15 kN per meter square. We have followed the American code as per the client's requirement. Particularly for this, all the columns are rectangular SHS sections and rectangular sections, and the beams are hot rolled beams. And the secondary members for the roof is our Z sections. This is the typical photographs for the cold storage. This is the completed one. The second photograph, it's during the erection. And the corner one, that is for the machine room. That machine room is being done in RCC and other everything is in steel. So particularly this complete cold storage is divided into 6 chambers. That each chambers, the bigger chamber has a capacity of around 1900 metric tons, and the smaller is around 235 or something. That the purple zone, that is an ante room where the whenever material comes from the lift and other, they can keep it there, and from there they will take inside the cold storage. And the orange one is the machine room, and that is being done in RCC. This is the STAD model for this particular complete cold storage. So this cold storage actually has been divided into 3 parts. One is the main cold storage chambers. Second is our ante room, where we can say the material whenever it comes before entering to the cold storage, they will keep it there. And third is the machine room. So particularly for the cold storage, there are 6 distinct chambers. Each chamber, each part is considered and it is been designed as a separate unit. Because whenever there is 2 different chambers, we have to place a PIF panel in between them. The gap between the 2 columns is kept at around 600 mm. There are 4 chambers. There are 2 smaller chambers that particularly earlier that client wants to take the subsidy from government. At that time, that was a case that around 7 chambers should be of less than 250 metric ton. So you will get a better subsidy. So, but later on state they have converted it into no, we want a full capacity warehouse only. The walls, if you see the outer walls, we have kept at 120 mm thick PIR panels. The ceiling is also 120 mm thick PIR panel. The internal walls is of 100 mm thick, and the exterior wall of ante room is of around 80 mm thick. And the main thing which I want to show, if you see the last photograph, that is a floor. So to have a proper air circulation, all the floors are made up of a pipe sections that is been placed at every 1 inch, so that the proper air circulation or cooling can happen properly there. And one more thing, that all the rectangular sections which are being filled with the sand. After construction, we have filled with the sand so that condensation and other things doesn't happen, and corrosions and other properties will be taken care of. Second is the machine room. That is complete. It is in the 3 levels, and that is been done in RCC. And last one is the ante room. That ante room, what we have done in that, there is a staircase, there is a lift. That the lift is a conveyor lift where the people, the laborers keep material on the lift, and it's just a conveyor type of system. They have to keep it, it will go up. Yeah, thank you. I think I have done it fast.